My full name is Sennan Quigley, and I'm the manager here at the National Office of the Foundation for Financial Education. The philosophy and the mission statement of the company just involves our understanding that there's a great system for information and federal benefits especially, and to be able to save money in taxes, but there's not a great way of conveying that information to people. And unfortunately, a lot of folks end up paying out a lot more in retirement than they really need to, and they don't save as much as they are entitled to, or they don't hold on to as much as they've been able to save. So that's where we come in, as we provide that education. We just reach out to different host organizations and provide the webinars free of charge to their clients or to their employees. We use ProProfs and BIGContacts as our CRM for all of our customer management, from the webinars, from in-person workshops as well as online webinars that we do for presentations of financial education. The biggest challenge was just making sure that we had an efficient and consistent way of cataloging, the names and the phone numbers and emails of individuals who had viewed the presentations, so that we could continue to give them information about future workshops and future webinars. The biggest advantage that we have found from BIGContacts is just the ability to import contacts on our own without having to send them to a list to a third party to do that for us. Because in that, usually there's at least a 48-hour delay, which means after anyone watches one of the presentations, then that gives 2 days for that lead to go cold for us to possibly reach out to these folks. Whereas with BIGContacts, as soon as the presentation is done, we can enter the information in immediately, and it's a lifesaver. Our ability to reach out to folks in a timely manner is completely dependent on our ability to put that in the CRM immediately and not have to wait. The ability to customize it is very helpful without having to go in and really need someone to guide us through it. As a matter of fact, when I took on this role, there really was not someone here to explain to me how to work BIGContacts. So I was able to just go in and figure out by myself with a very short amount of time, very short learning curve. It's very user-friendly. It has a lot of the essentials that we need and not a bunch of extras that we don't. The response team has been great. The customer service team has been great. They've always been attentive. They've always been polite. They've always been wonderful.